100 GE701D turboshaft engines, AH-64E model. Horsepower, over 2,000 shp, shaft horsepower, each. Top speed, ~182 miles per hour, 293 kilometers per hour. Cruise speed, ~158 miles per hour, 254 kilometers per hour. Range, 300 miles, 480 kilometers. Combat radius, 150 miles, 240 kilometers, with full weapons load. Service ceiling, ~21,000 feet, 6,400 meters. The Apache can fly in day or night, in all weather conditions, and at low altitudes to avoid radar detection, and making it ideal for deep strike missions behind enemy lines. The superscript 13. Weapons firepower. The AH-64 Apache is heavily armed. 1 M230 chain gun, 30mm automatic cannon, nose-mounted and slaved to the gunner's helmet. AH system, effective against infantry, light vehicles, and structures. 2 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, up to 16 laser-guided or radar-guided anti-tank missiles. Range, 8 kilometers, 5 miles. Precision strike capability, can destroy armored targets or bunkers. 3 Hydra 70 rockets, 2.75-inch unguided or guided rockets, used